So today we're going for a full tapered look. I'm doing this on my fine natural hair, which is about a 3C 4AB texture. I'm going to use Murray's beeswax, and I like to use this on freshly cleaned and oiled hair. So you start by taking down whatever protective style you have. I washed my hair a few days ago and it's been twisted up. So I'm going to just take those down. I believe I have maybe 7 or 8 two-strand twists and random bantu knots on my hair. Using my fingers, I'm going to manipulate my hair and finger detangle. Oh, had to remove my glasses. So I'm just gonna work my fingers in my hair, and I'm using a massaging and pulling method. Well, not really sure if it's a method, but it's the one that I use. And I'm just going all the way through my hair. As you can see, my hair is thin. I'm taking a little bit of wax and I am working it in my hair. I use the wax because it kind of locks in whatever curl pattern you do have without adding too much moisture or anything if you don't want your hair to shrink. And right now I am just patting and shaping. Patting and shaping. And you want to go ahead and pat your hair into the shape that you want to. Yes, I had to put my glasses back on because I can't see too much without them. For those who have a little thicker texture, it may take you less time to pat and separate your hair how you want it. I have some random pieces of hair that grow in straight, so I always have to make sure that I blend those in with the rest of my hair texture. And right now I'm applying a little bit of wax to my edges to keep them from flying away or straying away. I'm not too big on baby hair. You know, if you have it, you have it. If you don't, you don't. I just use this to try and keep it in place, so to speak. I did not use gel. When I do use gel, I use my flaxseed hair gel, or I just use some Eco Styler. And I'll probably make a video on how I use the Eco Styler to create the same look. It's a little bit more tapered, something that you would wear if you're trying to dress up look a little bit more fancy, so to speak. So I've had my scarf on about 15 or 20 minutes, long enough to get ready for the day and time to fluff and style. And after that, I am going to refluff any parts that I did not want flattened, especially in the back and in the middle of my hair. And there you have it, a simple and easy full tapered look for your natural hair. Thanks for